Hi, Santiago here. Let's learn how we can make Boolean operations in Grasshopper taking information from Rhino while we learn Grasshopper modeling for complete beginners. Let's do this. For this, we just need to first set the BReps that are the simple 3D elements in Grasshopper. So we go to params, geometry, and place the BRep on the Grasshopper frame. Let's copy and paste it and let's assign them. First this BRep, this one, and now let's make a solid union between them. So we put solid union. This one can be found typing it or go to intersect, shape, and here you can find solid union. Paste it. We place the first one, BRep, and then to connect the other one, we press Shift so we can connect both at the same time. And we can see now, if we, for example, hide everything else, I'm isolating just this 2D line that is in the upper part, that we have as a result, if we hide the other ones, we can see that it's being made just one single element. Let's do now a solid difference that is going to take one BRep, and with the help of another one, it's going to subtract the area, the surface, the volume that collides in between them. So let's add the BReps. Let's set the first one, set the second one, and let's place solid difference that is also in the intersect and shape group solid difference. We select the first one that is going to be the base, and the other one is going to be the element that subtracts from it. And if we hide these two and, for example, we isolate this, you can see that the result is a single element that was subtracted with the help of another one, as we see in the example. So finally, let's do a solid intersection. That is going to be just the area in between both of them. So we place the BRep, both BReps, we select the first one, select the second one, hide them, and connect it in the inputs of solid intersection. Here we can see a little bit what happens, but let's isolate this so we can see what really happened. The result was just the area where the two elements collide or intersect. So in this case, it's correct as we have made before. So that was it. In these 3 videos, we have learned how to take information from Rhino and use it in Grasshopper to understand the complexity and the wide variety of components and elements that Grasshopper has. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you are starting to get familiarized with Grasshopper, and I will see you in the next video.